Riley, can you dance? There you go. There you go. Can you dance again and brush your teeth? And brush your teeth too.
Brush your teeth really good, buddy. Back and forth.
And dance. No. And dance and brush your teeth. Yeah. It's fun, huh?
What?
Water. Oh, don't do that. No.
Yeah.
Ew. Keep it in the water. There you go.
Let's see, brush your teeth.
Brush your
back and
teeth.
forth. Like this.
Don't just eat the toothpaste.
There.
Is it good? Careful.
Let me see.
I'm not taking pictures. I'm videotaping.
I see.
I'll show you when I'm done. Do you like brushing your teeth?
You want Daddy brush them for you? No.
Riley can do it.
You do it. Brush them.
If
You gotta brush them. That's why you just keep eating the toothpaste.
I
Yeah, because you ate it all.
You're gonna want this.
No more. No more, honey.
Where?
Are we all done?
Where? Mommy, where?
Water?
Yes.
But we're all done though.
No.
You want to brush them again? Okay, here we go. There you go. You got water on it. Okay. Good job.